Hello, everyone. Hope you had a nice trip here. If you arrived this morning, yesterday, or maybe you were at the Maintainer Summit yesterday. So we have a full day today. We'll be having a lot of talks, lightning talks from end users, projects, all sorts of contributions. One thing before we start, if you are a speaker during the day, if you could reach out to one of us, like Yuan, Rajas, or myself, Thiago will be coming in a bit, so that we know and we can coordinate the sessions just to keep things going. But welcome everyone for the AI Day. So a little bit of, so I am not Thiago. Thiago is somewhere in a flight. His flight got changed, but he will arrive on time. He will be here in the day. But I'm Ricardo from CERN.
I'm Yuan from Red Hat.
Yep, and Rajas is there as well. He will be also chairing the sessions. All right, so this is us. Very warm thanks to our platinum sponsor, Mirantis. This is how we keep these events running, so thank you very much to our sponsor. So, as Thiago put it, the AI journey in Kubernetes has been quite long. It started a long time ago with some early experiments back in 2021. And as we built some experience and some use cases, we started having these AI events. We had different types of events. At some point, we used to call them batch and HPC. And then AI Day, we would have kind of split events. And then with time, we realized that actually the requirements, the end user communities, the projects that support all these use cases are basically the same or very similar. So we kind of joined forces between the batch community, the HPC, high performance computing communities, and the AI communities. And we joined forces to start having these common events. So we've been doing this for a few years now, a few KubeCons. Who has attended previous AI days? All right, lots of new people as well. Who's here for the first time on the AI day? That's very impressive. And at KubeCon? Also very impressive. So welcome, everyone. I'm sure we'll have plenty of content to help you out, but do enjoy the community. So on the coffee breaks, make sure you have plenty of networking. So today, in 2025, we are not anymore talking about how do we do AI with Kubernetes. It's everywhere. Like you will hear today, but you probably have your own experiences as well, that running AI on Kubernetes is kind of the normal these days. But what we have to put an effort on it, making it more performant, more efficient, especially given the types of resources it requires. So again, as Thiago puts it, can we run AI on Kubernetes? This is no longer the question, is how can we be efficient on running AI on Kubernetes? So the key themes for 2025 is, of course, LLMs and RAG in production, especially for scaling out inference, fine-tuning APIs, and making sure we are doing things efficiently. There are many, many use cases, and they keep expanding. So AI on the edge is definitely a thing where I work, and I'm sure for a lot of you as well. But you also need to scale out for training and a lot of compliance requirements in the area of governance, ethics, sustainability of AI workloads. And with that, I pass to Yuan.
And there are a lot of working groups within the CNCF and Kubernetes communities, for example, working group AI, batch, serving, device management, and so on. This is not an exhaustive list, so if you go on like CNCF website and Kubernetes website, you'll find more of these working groups. And feel free to join those Slack channels as well. There are two separate Slack channels, one for CNCF and one for Kubernetes. The channels should start with WG for working groups. And let me cover some logistics of the event. Like there will be refreshments and meals. Lunch will be available in S5. I think it's the same place where you pick up your badge. and there will be coffee and tea available outside as well. And there is a on-site for drinks and appetizers at the end of the event. So feel free to stick around after the event, and it should be in the same area as well. And just a reminder that we are following the CNCF Code of Conduct. Make sure you treat each other very well and with kindness and respect. And there's a QR code here in case you want to scan it and take a look at the details. And for those of you who may need this, there's captioning and translation available. So it's pretty easy to get access to this. So just scan the QR code, choose the language that you want the translation to be, and enter the session ID. And the captioning will begin when the session begins. That's it? Yeah.
All right. So welcome everyone, and we'll switch to the first speaker. But yeah, thank you.